of the game out, and the same guys seem to be playing over and over again.
The Leafs so quick on the power play, didn't get a chance there either. Here's Riley, in front, scores! John Tavares!
We've seen two face-off goals. Tavares starts it with the face-off win, but this is all about Morgan Riley using his legs to open up the lane. Driving down, takes Killorn away, opens up the middle of the ice, and all it is a two-step back for John Tavares. Hagel's got him in tight, 1-2 steps with traffic in front with Kerfoot. And the two goals that have given...
Got to 21-16 Toronto. The Lightning getting one back, but here comes Nylander, storming in Riley, back to Nylander, rebound, scores! John Tavares!
It is to see Morgan Riley jumping up and skating. I mean, the difference that it makes. Nylander drives the middle, which opens up the outside, little saucer.
Nice play by Marner to knock down a clear. He's got it behind the net. Piece there by Bogosian. Cycles it back towards Tavares. He'll walk out in front. Backhand stop. Held. Loose. Scores! At the end of the 5-on-3, so it's a 5-on-4 power play goal. And it's 7-2.
Just got to take what you're given, and watch as this lane opens up. Nobody comes to Tavares. It's between the legs of Vasilevsky, and he actually knocks it in.